The current value of Bittorrent is approximately 0.000849 rams per coin, with a price range of 0.000839 to 0.000868. The previous day's closing price was 0.000860, indicating a change of 0.00011 or 1.28% in the reverse rate from ZAR to BTT. As for the future, there is an expectation for the cost of Bittorrent to be projected in the upcoming month. On Thursday, August 3rd, the expected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000906 rands, with a high of 0.000969 and a low of 0.000843. On Friday, August 11th, the cost of Bittorrent was 0.000898 rands, with a high of 0.000961 and a low of 0.000835. On Monday, August 7th, the expected cost of Bittorrent was observed to be 0.000867 rands, with a high of 0.000928 and a low of 0.000806. On Tuesday, August 8th, the price of Bittorrent reached a high of 0.000941 rands and a low of 0.000817 rands during a period of multiple weeks. On Wednesday, August 9th, the anticipated cost of Bittorrent was 0.000899. The upper limit of the observed range for the value of rands is 0.000962, while the lower limit is 0.000836. On Thursday, August 10th, the price of Bittorrent was seen to be 0.000890. The upper bound of the range is 0.000952, while the lower bound is 0.000828. The anticipated cost of Bittorrent on Friday, August 11th, was 0.000881 rands, with a high of 0.000943 and a low of 0.000819. On Monday, August 14th, the cost of Bittorrent was 0.000882 rands, with a high of 0.000944 and a low of 0.000820. On Tuesday, August 15th, the expected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000863 rands. The price of rams experienced a fluctuation between 0.000923 high and 0.000803 low over a span of approximately 14 days. For Wednesday, August 16th, the price of Bittorrent was observed to be 0.000884 rands, with a high of 0.000946 and a low of 0.000822. The projected cost of Bittorrent for Thursday, August 17th, is estimated to be 0.000875 rands, with a high of 0.000936 and a low of 0.000814. Similarly, on Friday, August 18th, the anticipated cost of Bittorrent is expected to be 0.000855 rands, with a high of 0.000915 and a low of 0.000795. On Monday, August 21st, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000881 rands, with a high of 0.000943 and a low of 0.000819. The anticipated cost of Bittorrent on Tuesday, August 22nd, was 0.000871 rands, with a high of 0.000932 and a low of 0.000810. These projections are for a 3-week period. On Wednesday, August 23rd, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000836 rands, with a high estimate of 0.000895 and a low estimate of 0.00077. On Thursday, August 24th, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000839 rands, with a high estimate of 0.000898 and a low estimate of 0.000780. On Friday, August 25, the projected cost of Bittorrent was 0.000839 rands, with a high of 0.000898 and a low of 0.000780. On Monday, August 28, the price of Bittorrent was observed to be 0.000826 rands, with a top of 0.000884 and a low of 0.000768. On Tuesday, August 29, the cost projection for Bittorrent was 0.000823. The price of RAMs experienced a fluctuation between a high of 0.000881 and a low of 0.000765 over the course of approximately 1 month. On Wednesday, August 30, the price of Bittorrent was observed to be 0.000865 rands, with a high of 0.000926 and a low of 0.000804. The projected cost of Bittorrent on Thursday, August 31, is estimated to be 0.000824 rands, with a high of 0.000882 and a low of 0.000766. On Friday, September 1, the price of Bittorrent was seen to be 0.000841 rands, with a high of 0.000900 and a low of 0.000782. Looking ahead, this analysis aims to provide insights into the projected value of Bittorrent for the years 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. The projected cost of Bittorrent in December 2023 initially stands at 0.000602 rands, with a high cost of 0.000630 and a low cost of 0.000548. The median value of the cost is 0.000592. The cost of Bittorrent experienced a slight increase of 0.000589 in the month of December. In January 2024, the initial cost of Bittorrent was recorded at 0.000589. The cost of rands is significantly high at 0.000669 when there is a low-cost alternative available. The obtained value of 0.000581 is the median cost for Bittorrent. The cost gauge for Bittorrent shows a slight increase towards the end of the month, reaching 0.000616. Additionally, there is a 6.1% expected increase in